Good morning. Just checking on the video I posted yesterday. Well, last night actually. So yeah, some more unexpected turn of events. Just yesterday when I got home from therapy. Actually, it was even after that. So let me finish my tea here. We'll go check it out. Day 8. Huge. Day 6. The spicy mix. Way behind. I'm not sure if this is how they're supposed to grow, but came in very full. They look good, doing good, but they're way shorter than those. So just 2 days ago, those were still huge. So not sure if it's just the type of seeds. And I can see the taller ones in there, because I still put the radish, broccoli, and peas into this one too. But the other mix, has the mustards and stuff in it, so I wonder if that's what it has to do with it or not. But looking good anyways. There's just my basil plant. Looking kind of shaggy. It's actually not bad. I had it on the kitchen window. It doesn't get much sun over there, so I've been putting it up here with these ones, and it's doing better. So and yeah, snowing again. Got some overnight. It's on my truck. I was still, I don't know, half hour ago it was snowing really light and small, but it's picking up. 4 to 8 inches, maybe they're calling for. Can't wait till it stops and it's gone. So yeah, another unexpected turn of events here. So Veronica, she had babies, 4 days ago, and she's doing really good. Keep checking on them. So I'll try to look here, but she's very protective. So once I feed them, we'll try to take a look. But there should be, she had 8 babies. 5 of them are going to be white, and 3 probably her color. They look, similar, gray anyway. So Betty here, I successfully, and I probably shouldn't say it that way, but I bred her with my little buck Pete, and her due date was the end of this month, like 26 or 27 February. So I fed them all this morning, checked the babies, everybody was good, everybody got fed, and then prior to my physical appointment therapy yesterday, I checked on them again, nothing going on, everyone's good. So I left, came home, and then usually I check them again at night and I give them some more food. Well, Betty had pulled a ton of fur, and that's usually the telltale sign that they're going to have babies. However, she already had hers, so without warning. So she's another one that came pre-bred, because there's no way she's having babies yet. They have a 28 to 32 day gestation period, and she's a ways away from that. So she was already bred unbeknownst to me, just like Veronica. So now I have to pay close attention to Elizabeth over here, who was also bred with Pete, my little buck. I don't see any fur over there yet, but I'm going to have to watch her close, because she could be already bred too and I didn't know. But so her hide box was right side up, ton of fur in it and a ton of fur outside, and she actually had the babies outside. So I'm glad I caught it. This side of my basement used to be a garage under, so it's pretty cold in here actually. So it's good for them. They actually prefer it. Rabbits don't really like the heat, so it's good. But as far as the babies being born on the wire cage bottom, that wasn't a good thing, but I'm pretty sure I caught it just in time. We'll figure that out though when we take a look at those. So her babies look all just like her. They're dark, and they actually looked bigger than Veronica's babies. So again, I think I mentioned it in the rabbitry video, but so they're all a Flemish Giant, Californian, and man, I'm looking right at her. I'm spacing out on the last one. Silver Fox, sorry. So they're all a mix of those. And the lady had told me when they have babies, you could probably expect some white ones, just because of that Californian mix. So Veronica ended up having 5 white ones. So let me get them fed. I will try to peek in the boxes and show you guys that. Someone's getting testy over here. There they are. Terrible lighting, apologize for that, but looks like they're all doing good still. They're getting big already. I'm going to cover them up. That's her Betty's little babies, all snuggled in the corner. They look to be doing fine. So it's amazing how warm it is in there. All tucked under that fur. Like super warm. You can feel the heat on your hand as soon as you put it in there. Fix that back. Just stress her out. She's actually probably the best rabbit I have as far as handling, even with the babies now. As soon as I put my hand in there, she lays right down. You can pet her. She's a good girl. Betty. Okay, watch out. Come. Yeah, so pretty cool. 15. They all look healthy. I mean, it's still early yet. Anything can happen. I don't want to jinx that, but 15 baby bunnies. So in 8 weeks-ish, they're usually ready to harvest. Having the Flemish Giant mixing them, it could go a little bit longer. I'm not too worried about any of that, but there's 15 meals anyways. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a quick update, I guess. Plants are looking great. Rabbits are doing great. So everything's cool. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you on the next one. God bless you.